This doesn't sound right at all. This isn't good enough.
But it wasn't enough. I wasn't able to find anything.
I can't save anyone.
Hey, Kay! I was thinking about this for just before the chorus. What do you think? Earth Decay! Kanade!
Sorry. Did you say something?
Yeah, I was wondering what we should do at the part before the chorus. Did you see the file I sent?
I'll look at it now.
You alright? You sound a little bit out of it. Did you get enough sleep?
I'm alright.
Hey, Kay, maybe you should take a break.
I'm fine.
If you say so.
So, who's writing the lyrics for the next song? It doesn't look like Yuki's coming back, so I figure we should probably make a decision soon.
I'll do it.
What?
Not just the lyrics. I'll do Yuki's part and take care of the arrangement and the mixing as well. There's no time. I have to keep making more songs.
But, Kay,
Don't get in my way.
Kay.
We're not trying to get in anyone's way. I don't think she's even listening anymore. Talking about this now isn't gonna get us anywhere. Let's leave it for later.
You're probably right.
No, the guitar tone is too thin here. But it needs to sound subtle. Huh? What's going on? I'm starting to feel dizzy even though I'm sitting down. Oh, right. I haven't eaten since yesterday, but I don't have time for that. Huh? A new song from Own. It feels like being at the bottom of a black ocean, devoid of all light.
Hey, the first time I heard your songs, I felt like they had saved me. A little bit. But it wasn't enough. I wasn't able to find anything.
I guess in the end, she only thought she'd be saved. And assuming I'd be able to save Yuki with my music made me feel like as if I'd been saved too. Even so, I have to keep going. If I can't write songs that are able to save somebody, then But is there really any reason for me to keep going?
You have such a gift, Kanade. You've really been blessed by music. Kanade, make sure you keep creating your own music.
Dad, the
This is my song. I made it on the computer.
All by yourself? That's amazing. Can I hear it? I didn't realize you could write such gentle songs. I'm sure your mother would have loved it too.
You think so? I'm so glad. I want to make songs like yours. So I worked really hard on it.
Songs like mine?
Yeah, Mom really loved your music. She always looked happy listening to your songs. That's why I want to write songs that make people happy, just like you do.
Kanade. I see. It makes me happy to hear that. I'll have to work even harder to write more songs that'll make people happy too then.
I'll make sure to work really hard on it, so I can be as good of songwriter as you when I grow up.
I see. Yes. Something more suited to today's music? I understand. Thank you for the feedback. Okay, goodbye. Too outdated, huh?
Dad, dinner's ready. Are you alright?
Oh, Kanade. It's already time for dinner?
Yeah, you're always eating instant noodles for lunch, so you should at least have a decent meal for it. I messed up the cooking again though, so today's just some instant curry and something to go from it from the store.
That's more than enough, Kanade. Thanks. Dad's gotta eat if he's gonna keep working hard. I'd really like to enter this next song into a competition for a commercial spot. This could be my big break as a composer.
I'll be cheering for you. Eat up so you can work hard then.
This is no good. Why can't I think of anything? It just needs a little something more.
Dad, dinner's ready.
Sorry, Kanade. Go ahead and start without me.
Hey, Dad, would it be okay if I listen to your song?
Huh? Oh, sure. Just for a minute.
Is this the part you're having trouble with? What if you... What about something like this?
This is...
Oh, sorry. It just sort of popped into my head. It's probably not very good.
Not true. This is great, Kanade. But what made you think to change it like this?
Huh? I just thought it might work a little better this way.
You're incredible, Kanade.
Dad?